cow eat?
Grass.
What color is the grass?
Green.
How does the cow go?
Blue.
What color is the cow?
Black and white.
What does the chick eat?
Corn.
What color is the corn?
Yellow.
How does the chick go?
Cheep-cheep.
What color is the chick?
Yellow.
What does the parrot eat?
Berries.
What color are the berries?
Red.
How does the parrot go?
Squawk.
What color is the parrot?
Green.
What does the rabbit eat?
Carrots.
What color are the carrots?
Orange.
How does the rabbit go?
Hop, hop.
What color is the rabbit?
White.
What does the monkey eat?
Grapes.
What color are the grapes?
Purple.
How does the monkey go?
Ooh, ah.
What color is the monkey?
Brown.
What does the bear eat?
Blueberries.
What color are blueberries?
Blue.
How does the bear go?
Grrr.